So I'm making green chicken enchiladas for dinner. I've had whole beans cooking since earlier, not early enough so that I don't think they're done yet, but that's okay. And I'm also boiling some jalapenos. I have like about 3, 6, 7, I have about 8 in there. And I like to like overly boil them because I feel like it releases so much flavor into the water. And I use some of that water in a blender. I'm gonna blend it with cream of mushroom. And my husband put some chicken breasts to cook in the crock pot this morning. So this is definitely done. I just need to shred it up a little bit. And I'm gonna fry up some tortillas de maíz. And I'm not sure if I'm gonna roll them and put them in a baking dish with the green salsa yet, or if I'm gonna just layer them. Yeah, I don't know. We'll see what I end up doing. But I'm gonna also put some orange rice to cook. So let's get started on that. So I don't have the tripod downstairs, so I'm gonna just set you guys right here. I feel like the floodlights always messes with the quality of the video. I don't know why it makes it look like cloudy, but we're gonna work with it. So I'm gonna heat up the pan. Then I'm gonna add some oil and the rice. So I'm gonna fry up the rice until it's like a little golden brown. Then we'll add some tomato bouillon. The rice is actually right behind you guys. So let me move this over to here. I don't have a lot of rice left, so hopefully it's enough. So that's less than I usually make. I usually make like 4 cups of rice because we all love rice. But this will be enough for tonight at least. It's almost golden brown to the point to where I like it. Let me show you guys what I mean. It's pretty much almost done. Just gonna brown it a little bit more. Then I'm gonna pour in the water and the tomato bouillon.
I did.
No bugs on it?
I was up there for like 30 minutes cleaning.
Okay.
Whew.
I didn't do much, but I've been in PJs for how many days? So now I'm gonna add like 2 tablespoons of the tomato bouillon. I don't think we have, no más esa bolsa, what is it, the Mexican, the 4 cheese or something? I don't think so. I'll check right now. Keep this spot. Should have used it. Oh, okay. I think we can do like in between, like a couple of layers, not each one.
As long as it's on top, that's what matters.
So I like to add a little bit more of the juice from the jalapenos just to get the rest of whatever's in here out. And then I'm going to dump it into the saucepan and it'll thicken up a little bit. Well, it's okay porque la salsa de todos modos gets everything. Mm-hmm.
No, Mom's just gonna send you guys to Nana's house.
No, she's not. That's what